Hello students, this is Poonam Bhatti from Little Angel School. As you know that I am your computer teacher. Students, welcome to online video class at Little Angel School at home. Dear student, I hope you all are fit and fine. Student, make sure that you have your textbook with you with all the time while attending the class. Okay students, so students, please take next 5 seconds to keep your book ready. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Students, I hope you all are ready. So students, let's get started. Today we are going to cover the chapter 3rd in your computer textbook. Student, the previous first and second chapter we had to covered in the previous online class. Now from the chapter 3rd we will cover by the video classes. Okay, so let's get started students. So students, this is your third chapter of your computer textbook. The chapter 3rd is computer memory and storage device. Student, in this chapter your textbook has been covered 3 topics. First is memory storage, second is unit of memory, and third is types of memory. So let's learn about what is memory storage and what is unit of memory and what the types of memory. Let's get started. Students, let's talk about computer memory. Have you seen this chair? Yes, this is called the computer memory. Okay, so let's get started. Students, your brain helps you to remember things. It stores the information and helps to recall whenever you need. In a very similar way, computer also have memory, which enables them to store instruction and information. Student, you know that a human body also have a memory. Yes or no? Yes. What is the human memory? Yes, his brain. Okay, everything is stored is in human brain. So human brain is called the human memory. Similar that computer also has memories. Okay, to store the data which are fed by you or by the user. Okay, so students, data and instructions that are fed into a computer systems through input devices are stored in some storage media. The storage capacity of computer is called its memory. Okay, जो भी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी होती है कंप्यूटर की, दैट इज कॉल्ड द memory. Okay, so let's learn about more. So in this slide students, also memory storage are described. You have to see in this slide the picture of memory storage. Okay, this is the picture of memory storage in which two boards are there. First one is the daughter boards and second one is the mother boards. Have you seen this picture? Yes, this is the picture of image of memory storage in the CPU. Okay, so this motherboard and daughter board are present where? In the CPU. Okay, the motherboard and daughter board are present in the CPU. Okay, so computer, what is the memory storage? A computer stores data and instruction in the form of binary digits. Binary digits means 0 and 1 form. 0 and 1 is bits. Okay, because I already told you students that computer only and only understand the English like language. Okay, sorry, only and only understand the machine language, which is formed in binary language and which is work in the form of 0 and 1, okay, which is called the bit. So these two digits are used in programming language, that is called the binary language. Get it my point, students? Yes, you written your program, your work in the higher language, and the translator converts your higher language into the machine language, which is called the binary language 0 and 1 forms. Okay, now students, next is units of memory. What is the units of memory? Okay, we need units to measure any quantity, as we know that. Okay, for example, if you want to purchase a milk, if you want to purchase a milk, okay, and so how to measure your milk? In a liter. Okay, the units of milk or liquid in is a liter. Okay, like the units of solids are grams. Okay, for example, we use liter to measure liquids and meter to measure length. Okay, similarly, data can be measured in bits, bytes and other units. In your computer memory, your data can be stored in the form of bits, bytes and other units, which is called the units of your computer memory. Okay, so bit, what is bit? Bit is the smallest units of information which a computer can process and store. Bit is the smallest unit of information which a computer can process and store. Okay, bit is only one bit. Okay, like 0 or like 1. Oh, okay, but a group of 4 bits forms a nibble. Okay, nibble, and a group of 8 bits, I repeat, a group of 8 bits forms a byte. That is, 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. Okay, the higher units of memory are given as follows. Okay, according to these units, your memory, your computer memory is measured. Okay, so let's learn about more about the units of memory. In this slide, some units are there. Okay, first unit, that is the KB. Okay, this one. Okay, KB is called kilobyte. Okay, second is MB. MB is called megabyte. Third is GB. You heard about GB? GB is gigabyte. Okay, fourth is TB. TB is terabyte. Okay, fifth is PB. PB is petabyte. Sixth is EB. EB is exabyte. Okay, जिसे हम हेक्सा भी बोल सकते हैं. Sixth is ZB. ZB is zettabyte. And last is YB. YB is yottabyte, which is called the yottabyte. Okay, students. So these are some memory units. Now, these units. This is your computer textbook in which it is your computer has been described the kilobyte to petabyte. Now, first is kilobyte. First of all, 1 bit is equal to 8 byte. I already told you. Now, for 1 kilobyte is equal to, yes, in this slides, 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 किलोबाइट. ये कैसे डिस्क्राइब हुआ है ये भी आपको दे रखा है. 1 किलोबाइट इज इक्वल टू 2 की पावर 10 बाइट्स. ओके, जब 2 की पावर 10 आप करोगे तो उसका कैलकुलेशन आएगा 1024 बाइट्स. ओके, 1 megabyte to की पावर 10 kilobyte, that means 1024 kilobytes. Okay, 1 gigabyte is equal to 2 की पावर 10 megabytes, that is 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte is equal to 2 की पावर 10 gigabytes, that is 1024 GB, that means 1024 gigabytes. Okay, 1 PB, that means petabyte, is equal to 2 की power 10 TB, that means terabyte, 1024 terabytes. So this is all about the your computer textbook. Now students, I want to share the another units which your computer does not had cover, but computer textbook are not present in these units, but I want to share the another units, that is the zettabyte, hexabytes, okay, yottabytes, other units. Okay, so let's talk about the other units. So student, this is in this slides another units are present. So I already told you 1 bit is equal to binary digits, 8 bit is equal to 1 byte, 1024 byte is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 terabyte, 1024 terabyte is equal to 1 petabyte, 1024 petabyte is equal to 1 hexabyte. Okay, 1024 petabyte is equal to 1 exabyte, 1024 exabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte, that is 1 ZB, not GB, ZB. Okay, 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. Okay, students, most of the computer memory has highest highest memory is the 1 yottabyte. Okay, but the very big computer also has the 104 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte, 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. Okay, and 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 gigabyte. Okay, and gigabyte is the highest memory. Okay, it is GB also, but it is very highest memory. Okay, so this is all about the units of computer memory, which is measured in the form of KB, MB, GB, TB, PB, EB, ZB, YB, and brontobyte. Okay, now